In this video, we're gonna make a windmill. And windmill machine is like convert the wind energy into mechanical energy or electric. And also you can convert electric to the mechanical energy or the wind. And the first known windmills were invented by Persians in the 7th century. And the windmills become widely used in the Netherlands from 12th century. And the Dutch people use it for water pump. And this became a symbol of the Dutch innovation and sustainability. And here you can see our material. It's quite easy, and we have 2 cups and like our popular combination with motor and button and the battery bats and 2 battery. We have 4 sticks and 4 pipe. And we again start with the same method, like with the battery to the battery bat, and our motor will gonna work. But here the motor a bit like different from other one. Normally we use a 3-volt motor, but here we're gonna use a 6 or 12-volt motor because it's gonna turn a bit like slower than normal. So what we're gonna do, first of all, and we will put some food to this block. First we'll put a bit glue here. And this is the first one, and also a bit here. So to make a sustainable travel. Okay, this is gonna be our like foot. They can be like parallel or like as you like. And on the second step, we will put some glue here. You can make also a roll. And this is the second step. After do this one, we can put some extra glue here and also here. Okay, this is almost done. And here what we're gonna do. So we will put battery bat to here and motor to here. To make a balance, I'll put battery bat here as a backpack. So it will be my backpack here, and I will put my button here. First I will mount my motor, but again attention that we will not put line to these 2 holes. So one is here and the second one to here, and I will put this like that, not straight, because otherwise if it turns then my sticks will like crash to here and it will not turn. Okay, and my button, if it like fits here, I will put here. If not, I can also put it on the cup. It's also doable. Okay, I will make it like stronger. Okay. Right now it's working and my motor is turning. And now I will put my windmills here. If you want, you can put some propeller here or something from wood, but I will use this one. I will make a plus or crowds. Okay, this is good. And I will drill here the middle. I will put something under it to not drill my table. Okay, we can use 3 or 2 millimeter to drill that one. So right now I have one small hole here, and I will put it to my motor like this. If you want, you can put some glue here. And right now, if I push the button, like my windmills are turning. Okay, and if you want, so you can put some like small things to make it like more beautiful. I will put here, 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 here. Attention, make it so fast to not dry. Okay. Then maybe like this, have it like this. We don't want to give a symbol. Okay, right now, so you can put some components here or like eyes or other things as you like. And right now my windmill is turning, so you can see that sometimes it like turns because of the momentum. But this is our windmill. And this is always two-way. If you give electric, so you get mechanical energy or wind. If you give mechanical energy or like wind, then you get electric from the other side. So this is two-way windmill from Nederland.